Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Happiness Empire. Yes guys, welcome back. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Yes, I know you are doing fine, and thanks for asking of to me, because I know you did already. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a lip tutorial. As you can see, I've done my makeup already, but if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, so it's going to be on my video line. Just go and check it out. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. It's just a nude simple look, you understand. So I have this sis makeup did I do okay I have this sis makeup stick here with me, and I also have this lipstick sun palette here with me as well. So I'm going to be trying them, like doing a lip stick tutorial, so stay tuned for if you want to see how I come about this, how to do a lip tutorial, so stay tuned guys. So for now I'm going to be trying this lip. Why I do, like, I went for a nude eyeshadow, because I'm going to be doing colorful and also a nude lipstick tutorial. So for first of all, I'm going to be trying this one. This one is Maybelline New York Super Stay Melt Ink Lipstick. Is that the shade of I think this one is Concentrate, please. It's 117. Yeah, so it's like this inside. Let me come closer. Thank you. I'm sorry for the noise. Sorry guys.
and why.